Hello, friends. Welcome back to Word Search World, where learning English is fun, exciting, and full of adventure. Today's puzzle takes us to the farm, a peaceful place full of animals, fresh air, and hardworking people. On the farm, we can see many animals and learn how food is produced. Let's explore this wonderful place together through today's word search. Get ready to search carefully and find all the hidden words. Remember, they can be across, down, diagonally, or even backwards. Here are the words you need to find in today's puzzle. Farm, a place where crops are grown and animals are raised. Farmer, a person who works on the farm and takes care of animals and plants. Horse, a strong animal that can run fast and help with farm work. Goat, a farm animal that eats grass and can climb easily. Pig, a farm animal that loves to roll in the mud. Chicken, a bird that lays eggs and is very common on farms. Sheep, an animal with soft wool that can be used to make clothes. Barn, a large building on a farm where animals live or food is stored. The farm is full of life, sounds, and activity. Animals, farmers, and nature all work together in this special place. Now it's your turn. Can you find all these words hidden in the puzzle? Look carefully. Some words may be easy and others may be a bit tricky to find. Take your time, stay focused, and enjoy the challenge. Word searches are a great way to improve your English vocabulary, train your brain, and have fun at the same time. If you enjoyed this farm word search, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new puzzle adventure. More fun themes are coming soon. Animals, food, nature, space, and many more. Thanks for watching and learning with us today. Keep searching, keep learning, and see you next time in another Word Search World Adventure.